Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you been having issues with scalp issues like dandruff, psoriasis, and other scalp issues that is hindering your hair growth? You all know that a healthy scalp leads to a healthy hair growth. If you have been having issues with your scalp, then this video is for you. Here I'll be sharing a wonderful hair recipe and natural hair shampoo for your
Hi
hair.
family,
Do well
you're
to watch
welcome
to the
back to
end
my
of the
YouTube
video.
channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to make xoxo clay to cleanse your hair and also detoxify your hair and scalp. And this will enable your hair to grow healthier and also faster. Xoxo clay has been known for ages to be an alternative to what? To shampoo. So, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. My name is Muna Okezie. I'm also a YouTuber, and my page on Instagram is Afroliciousmuna. If you're an OG, you are welcome back. Please do well to subscribe to my channel because in my channel, I teach you different tips, tricks on how to grow a healthy hair. I also share feminine hygiene and also beauty and health. Please do well to subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Without further preambles, let's get started. So in today's video, I'll be making use of xoxo clay or xoxo, also known as xoxo clay. That's what I'll be making use of for this recipe. I'll also be using my Rita. Rita is also known as soap nut from the Ayurvedic family. Then I'll be using shikakai as well, very good for your scalp. I'll also be using my distilled water. Then measuring cup. I'll be using my hibiscus. And in here I have my aloe vera juice that I've extracted myself. If you want to know how I extracted this aloe vera juice, please do well to click on the cards above. Then I'll be using my peppermint oil. Then an applicator bottle for this recipe, my apple cider vinegar with mother, endeavor you use the one with mother, and then a mixing bowl, and then a spoon. And I'll also be adding my coconut oil to this recipe. So the first thing I'll do is adding the xoxo clay or xoxo clay. So that's how it looks like. So right now I'm adding 1 tablespoonful to this recipe, like so, as you can see. So I've added it. Then I've added my distilled water. So it has a press like this. Just add a little. See? You can see the bubbles. Explain. So you see the bubbles after adding the distilled water. That shows that reactions can also occur with the distilled water. Then the next thing I'll be adding is the aloe vera juice. So I'll be adding my aloe vera juice to this recipe like that. 1 tablespoonful of my shikakai, and then I'll also be adding to this recipe a teaspoonful now of my hibiscus powder. I'm going to stir it now. Give it a good stir. Tablespoonful of apple cider vinegar to this recipe. Essential oil, few drops. Then adding my coconut oil, spoon of coconut oil to the recipe, and then we'll give it a very good stir. So after stirring it, this is the consistency I got. I think I like this consistency because I don't like it too liquidy or very thick. So this is the consistency I got. So I'm going to be covering it now to avoid what we call air pockets. So I'll cover it. After 30 minutes, I'll use it.
So now I'll be transferring it into an applicator bottle. Hibiscus is also known as zobo in Nigeria. And hibiscus is a very, very good conditioner. It also helps in reducing hair graying. And hibiscus is a very good hair conditioner, and it
Can you see
suits
how
the
it's
scalp
doing?
and helps in
So now
reducing
it's
breakage.
application time. I want to apply the clay right now on my hair. So I've sectioned my hair already. So I have my hair in sections. I'm going to be starting from the back part of it. So
So now let's talk about the benefits of some of these ingredients used. Let's talk about Rasul clay. Rasul clay is a very good moisturizer and a softener. It reduces dryness in the hair while also removing toxins, and also it improves hair elasticity and unblocks your scalp pores. And Rasul clay is a very unique clay. It's unique from other clays in that it is the only clay composed of 100% minerals and trace elements. It contains silica, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Rasul clay also helps to reduce dryness, reduces it also helps to clear clogged pores. It also helps to improve hair elasticity, aids in detangling, reduces frizz, soothes the scalp, and also soothes scalp problems such as psoriasis, and dandruff. So these are very, very good benefits of Rasul clay. So you can see this is how I made sure that I applied it on my scalp and also massaged the clay thoroughly on my scalp very well in order to detox my scalp and also clear my scalp pores as well. And it also helps to define curls. I also use aloe vera. As you all know, aloe vera contains what we call proteolytic enzymes, and these enzymes are very healthy for the hair. It helps with scalp treatment, and
this is
aloe
one
vera
of
is
the
a very
best
good
ever.
hair
It's
conditioner and
going
also a very good
to
detangler as
try doing your
well.
Rasul clay mixture this way. Your hair will just be telling you thank you. So
Now, let's talk shikakai and aretha. Shikakai helps to soothe the scalp, and it's also used as a shampoo in Ayurvedic medicine. Shikakai fights dandruff, nourishes hair follicles, it also cleanses our hair, it aids shine, curbs hair loss, and prevents graying. Aretha is also known as soap nuts, and some people call it aretha. Aretha helps control hair fall by removing dandruff from the scalp. It also helps to control dandruff and
you twist
promote
it down
hair
like that.
growth.
Twist it down that part now. This on this part now. Let's change the applicator button. crown section.
So right now I'm concentrating on my crown section area. As you all know, I usually like sectioning the crown section differently. So I'm going to give that part the TLC it deserves, that tender loving care. So I'm massaging the clay thoroughly on my scalp. Massage it thoroughly very well before you take it to other parts of the strands of your hair. Massage it thoroughly, and after that I'm going to twist my hair up. This is another way. If you don't want to use any chemicals, all these shampoos, synthetic materials used in shampoos, this recipe is beneficial and is one of the best recipes ever I have used. You all need to try this. It will leave your hair conditioned, moisturized, and cleansed. So I'm done. I've done every part. Then I'll go in and massage my hair a little bit. I'll make sure I use all the clays. Use all the clays. Everything. So, sisters, let me know if you have tried Rasul clay, or which of the clays have you tried. Let me know in the comment section. And if you've tried Rasul clay, how did it make your hair feel? And if you have tried this recipe, have you ever added Ayurvedic herbs and clays together? Let me know how far. So this is my hair after washing off the clay. My hair is feeling so soft. My scalp feeling so clean, neat, and moisturized. My hair still feels very soft. Didn't even strip my hair off its natural sebum at all. It still look good.
Please do well to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and turn on the post notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So if you have ever tried Rasul clay, please let me know, and let me know how you prepared your own Rasul clay, and if you are going to try this my own method out. In between Rasul clay and bentonite clay, which do you prefer? Do you prefer Rasul clay or bentonite clay? Please let me know in the comment section. So thank you all so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.